Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the weather mode in the marine traffic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And at the map views section, click on the weather button. And as you can see, you can unlock weather maps, whether if you have a subscription, or you can unlock for free, because you have 3 free trials in a month. So if you have any left, then just click on the unlock for free button, and that's it is changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.